In this lecture, let's find the rank of a matrix using echelon form. So first let's know what is an echelon form. So a matrix is said to be in echelon form if all the non-zero rows precede the zero rows. So all the rows which contain zeros will be at the bottom, and the rows which does not contain zero or which contain less number of zeros will be at the top. So look at this matrix. Here we are having no zeros. Here we are having 1 0, 2 zeros followed by 4 zeros. So the numbers which contain more number of zeros are bottom, and the numbers which contain less number of zeros are at the top. Now the next point. The number of zeros preceding the first non-zero element in a row is less than the number of such zeros in the succeeding rows. So look at this matrix. Here we are having 1 0, and here we are having 2 zeros. The number of zeros preceding the first non-zero element. This is the zero which is preceding this first non-zero element is less than the number of such zeros in the succeeding rows. There is only 1 0. Here we are having 2 zeros. So 1 0 is less than 2 0. And here we are having 2 zeros and here 4. So 2 is less than 4. That is what this point is telling. Okay. The first non-zero element in the first row is 1. So always in an echelon form, the first non-zero element in the first row should be equals to 1. Okay. And if the matrix is converted into echelon form, then the rank will be the number of non-zero rows in the matrix. So this is our matrix which is in echelon form, and here we have 3 rows which have non-zero values. So here our rank is equals to 3. Now next let's discuss the method used to convert a matrix into echelon form. Now method. A matrix can be converted into echelon form by performing only row operations. So in converting a matrix into echelon form, only row operations are allowed and column operations are not allowed. Now the next point, converting the given matrix into upper triangular matrix. So we need to convert the given matrix into upper triangular matrix. What is an upper triangular matrix? A matrix is said to be upper triangular if the elements below the principal diagonal are equal to 0. For example, look at this matrix. This is our principal diagonal, and we have these values under the principal diagonal. So we can observe that all these values are zeros. So this matrix is said to be upper triangular because the elements below the principal diagonal are zeros. Now let's take an example matrix and convert it into echelon form, and let's try to find the rank of that matrix. Here we need to find the rank of the given matrix by reducing it into echelon form. So this is our example matrix. So what are the conditions? The first element in the first row should be 1, so we have 1. And the matrix should be upper triangular matrix. It means these elements should be equals to 0. So based on this, we need to perform row operations. So we can see we are having 2 over here. We need to make it 0. So we can make an operation. R2 implies R2 minus 2R1. So when we multiply the first row with 2, it becomes 2, this becomes 4, this becomes minus 4, this becomes 6. So 2 minus 2, 0, 5 minus 4, 1, minus 4, minus of minus plus, that is 0, 6 minus 6, we get 0. Now we can see that here we are having minus 1 and here we are having plus 1. So R3 implies R3 plus R1. So 1 minus 1 plus 1, we get 0, minus 3 plus 2, 2 minus 2, minus 2 plus 3, we get 1, and write the first row as it is, 1, 2, minus 2, 3. And look at R4, here we have 2 and here we have 1. Again, R4 implies R4 minus 2R1. 2 minus 2, 0, 4 minus 4, 0, minus 1, minus of minus 4, 3, 6, minus 6, 0. So these are the row operations performed on this matrix, and we got this matrix. Here we are having 1 and here -1. R3 implies R3 plus R2. Then this -1 plus 1 equals to 0. So now here we have R3 is raised to R3 plus R1. So -1 plus 1 equals to 0, 0 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 0, 1. We can swap these two rows so that we get 1 here and 3 goes there. So this is the matrix we got. We exchanged these two rows. The first element is 1 and this is the diagonal, and below the diagonal all are zeros. Now this matrix is in the echelon form. Now what is the rank? The rank is equals to number of non-zero rows. So here we are having non-zero numbers. Here we are having 1, 3, 1. So all the 4 rows are having non-zero numbers. So the rank will be equals to 4. So here the rank of the matrix is equal to 4. The rank can be denoted by the of given matrix A equals to 4 equals to 4. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe for more informational videos.